Hey guys, it's Mike Doyle at Century 21. Hey, here with another bit of advice I was just dealing with earlier this morning. And that is, if you are a seller, what do you do when a buyer is in escrow with you and has asked for you to repair a whole bunch of things with your home? Look, I get it happens all the time with sellers, right? The buyer begs and pleads that they would love your home, will buy it as is, and they want to do whatever it takes to get the home. Then you're in escrow, buyer does a home inspection, and the home inspector has a 100-page list of things that are wrong with your home, right? So what does the buyer do? He takes all 100 things and asks you as the seller to repair them. So what do you do? Well, the answer is it depends. And it depends on several factors. Number one, how many offers did you get when the home was on the market? Did you only get one offer? If so, you may want to be a little more compliant with the buyer in giving him those repair requests than if you had 25 offers. If you have 25 offers, sure, you're going to tell them, no, you're buying the home as is. But if you've got one offer, you may need to eat a little crow and either give him some credit or do the work. Number two, are these issues that the buyer is asking for legitimate? Look, in real estate, we look at the main items: systems, safety, and security. If it's outside of that realm, generally I tell a seller, you don't need to deal with those things. But look, if there's something truly wrong with your heating system, your electrical panel, your plumbing, your roof, whatever, it's something you may need to want to have addressed, because if you don't deal with it with this offer, you're going to have to deal with it with the next buyer. And the third issue I would always say is this: always give a repair credit, never do repairs. Why? Well, you want to give a repair credit to get off of your shoulders as the seller the liability issue. What you don't want to have happen is a buyer asks you to repair something, you send a handyman out to get it done, and then 6 months later, the problem crops up again. Are you liable? Maybe. And it's something that you just don't want to hassle with 6 months after you've sold your home. So I always recommend that my sellers give a credit in lieu of any repairs done themselves. All right? Look, negotiating a request for repair from a buyer can be tricky, but just keep those rules of thumb and you should be all right. Thanks.